What are internal and external histories? To learn about a person or event, historians collect both internal and external histories. An internal history is directly relevant to the history of a specific person, event, or idea. For example, we could trace the development of a single theory over time. An external history focuses on factors that are indirectly relevant to the topic of interest. This method gathers information about the broader context, including the social, cultural, political, economic, and intellectual factors that influence the topic of interest. To understand why a theory developed the way it did, we would explore the zeitgeist, or the spirit of the times. Later in this lecture series, for instance, you'll learn how the early theories of intelligence were shaped by eugenics and the belief that intelligence is determined at birth by one's genes. Here is an example of an external history of the late 1900s. Between 1980 and 2020, at least 4 external forces contributed to the evolution of psychology and the zeitgeist of the times. A strong national identity as a superpower in the world, advances in technology like the internet and cell phones, an increase in diversity of people and ideas, and an increased concern with environmental issues. Note once again that historians examine both the topic of interest as well as the external factors that influenced it.